This is the part 2 of Python series. In this video, we are going to learn many things about the environment setup of Python. Today we will start with the installation of Python. Then we will create a file .py. Then we will write a program to print hello world. Before installation, we have to check whether we have Python installed in our PC or laptop or not. So for that, we will open our CMD by pressing Window and R key, then write CMD. So we can simply import Python, or we can write the Python, but we will check for Python version here. So just copy the text Python version, Control C, and paste it on Python version. We will check for Python version. So here the Python is installed in my laptop, but what if I don't have this message? So what we will do, we will simply go through this link. Just copy. Here, click on downloads and download latest version of Python. This time Python get updated. Download Python 3.9.1. So we can simply click on that and download the Python version 3.9.1. Save this. After successful installation, click and follow the instruction as given. This is ideally PIP and documentation, and it will also create the shortcuts for all these things. So after successful installation of Python, we will go to our ideally, we will search for ideally to create a file, .py file. Click on file and new file. If we want to run the program, we can simply click on run and run module F5. Save the file. We have to save this.
So we can save the file with any name. Like here I am going to save this file with the name of hello world, and we use .py extension to save the Python file. To create a Python file, we use .py extension. .py means Python, like Python. So we use .py insert. Also, we can choose the type of file. This is Python file or text file or all file. So we will choose Python file. Hello world.py, we can write full or hello world, and Python file will include this .py. Now we can save. Here the file is now saved in my PC, and I can now run this file, run module. You can check the output hello world. So like that we can make any type of program in by making the new file. Again I can make a new file and write some code, print districtbits.com, or I can perform any numerical or logical or arithmetical, any type of operations I can do. I can write a normal program or high level program. We can create an application, we can create a game by writing the programs in any new files. So we will go through with that in another tutorial video. So this was the video that how we can install the Python, and we learned how to create a file and how we write the file, how to save the file. So I guess this is clear to all. Hit the subscribe button, like the video. Bye bye.